I'm gonna uncover your feet real quick just so that you won't be cold anymore. I just want to go down. Oh, are you okay? Are you okay, Miss Avery? Oh.
Y'all taking that water from me. Somebody, she done spilled that water on me.
I didn't spill it.
She spilled that water on me.
No.
So are y'all just going to let her stay wet?
We'll go get a towel.
Because this water went all the way down here. I'm like wet everywhere now. Right?
Tushan, can you get us a towel?
Well, that's better. That's...
Avery, can you lift up your foot real quickly?
Yeah, I can lift my foot up, honey. I can move. I know how to move.
Good.
Uh-huh.
Perfect. And then lift this foot.
Okay. Y'all so nice. Them other people on that other shift, they be trying to kill me. Be putting stuff in my putting stuff in my water and my food.
I don't think there's a towel so you can dry off your hands, Miss Avery.
Okay. And tell her to stop throwing water on me. She threw water. Well, it felt like you threw water on me. How I get wet?
You probably spilled it when you was drinking.
Oh, I did?
Yeah.
Okay. Do I got lipstick on my chin?
Yeah.
Shoot.
And it's in one of the bedrooms.
Is it off? Do I look like a clown?
It's a little cute.
Okay. I'll clean it afterwards. Okay. So, hey.
Okay, Miss Avery, we're going to empty out your drainage.
I'm just going to go this. I don't know where to put. I'm just going to throw it down.
You could have just handed that to us.
Okay, honey. So, you see how she keeps looking back? Why don't y'all put the water where she can reach it? Like get the overbed table, put her water and water pitcher on there. Is that the old water?
I don't even know.
Okay, so we don't. Oh, okay. So then put this up, yeah, so where she can reach it. Y'all have a good 3-day week.